One of my associates doesn't think you're up to the job, so I bet him that you could kill 4 cops in less than 3 minutes. Don't let me down. One down, 3 to go. That's 2 feds out of the picture. You've got a real violent streak, haven't you? I like that. Good job. Here's your share of the dough. Go to the PAYBACK for more missions. We've just been tipped off that one of our rivals has a shipment in an ice cream van in the north of the city. Stiggling. It's a setup. The van's rigged to explode in 55 seconds, or if you try to get out, take it to Raid's garage and get it sorted. Great, here's your danger money. Move your fat butt over to the phones for more missions.
It's an emergency. I need your car.
Harry's in trouble. Go help him out. God, the garage just blew up with Harry still inside. Kill the sod who did it. You got him. Nice one. Here's 100 grand. Move your fat butt over the phones for more missions.
This is my car now.
There's a quickie mart south of the army base. Ram raid it.
Nice car. I'll take it.
Great! Now take it to John's garage. Nicely done. Here's your cut. Cleared 150 grand. Go to the pay funds for more missions.
I need your car.
The boss is about to spring the lads from jail. Drive the bus in the eastern car park to the prison.
Get out.
Okay, the boss has just sprung the joint. Get down there before the pigs do. Okay, here they go. Wait here for them all to get in. Great! Now take them to the safe house. Okay, now wait for all the lads to get off. Nice one. Here's your money, the full 150 grand. Head back to the phones for